Now we will learn how to deal with dynamic selector. So let's take one example. We'll open Chrome and pass the URL of google.com, search age of actors, get the age of actors and write the age in Excel in age column, right? So we have the Excel file. Let me open the Excel file first. So we have the actors name, like these are the actors names. We need to fetch the age of that actors, and we need to write here like that, like age of that actors, 53 years, 54, 55, like that. Manually we open the Chrome and then we'll write here google.com. And we type here the actor's name and age and just press enter, and then we'll get this age here 53. Every time if we need to change the name of that, then we'll press here change the name and get the age. So by this way we need to write the actor's name here and fetch the actor's age and write into Excel file. So I have already created that workflow here. Let me open that here. Here I have taken path exist. I have checked the file is there, that Excel file is exist or not. If that is exist, then I have used the Excel application scope and read range to read that Excel file, and I have taken one data table, that is actor's name, and here in the search age, this sequence, I have used open browser and taken the Chrome browser, and here I have used the for each row. So by using that I have fetched one by one the actor name, and then I am typing here after opening the Google here. I have typed here the actor name plus age, so that will show like Salman Khan and then space age. So by this way, using this one, I am passing here the name of the actors, and then this is the hard coded, so we are using age, and then I am passing one send hotkey to press the enter. Here I am not using because I have used the simulate click, so we cannot, if you see here simulate click, so we cannot use the hotkeys from here, so that's why I have used send hotkey. Here I have taken get text activity to get the age from this Google page, so it will fetch this 53 years and write into Excel here in the age column. So currently here I have modified the selector, but I am going to select this again so that I can show you how to change the selector if we are getting any dynamic ID or name. If ID and name is changing every time, then how can we modify that? So let's click on this and select this part 53 years. Now if you see here in the selector part, if you click here, we are getting here HTML app equal to Chrome exe, URL google.co.in, web control AA name equal to 53 years and IDX equal to 1, parent ID equal to RSO and tag equal to div, right? So if we'll try here, we are getting validate like invalid, so let's click on that. So here is showing that we are getting like invalid. First click on OK and let's try. Then first I will show you that which type of like errors will get here. So Chrome browser has been opened, google.co.in has been passed, and now it's passing the actor's name and it's trying to get the age here. So it's passing all this actor's name, and now let's see it's writing the age value in Excel or not. Okay, so now we'll see here we are getting this error. It is showing cannot find the UI element corresponding to this selector. Wave control AA name equal to 53 years, IDX equal to 1, parent ID equal to RSO, and tag equal to div. It means in this selector the AA name equal to 53 years there in the selector. But what's happening here, every time this year is like age is changing, right? Because each actors, it is checking for the each users each actor's age, and each actor's age like age is more than 50, 53, 55. So that's why it always going to check for the 53 in AA name. That's why we are getting error. So for this we need to modify our selector here. What can we do? Let's go to the selector here from the properties panel, and now here in AA name we can remove this, or we can replace this with star. We just need to write here star and just press OK, and now if we'll run this, we will not be getting any error. So let me run this, and now we will see here. So now you'll see here, like here 54, age is 51, every time it's changing here. So this is called like dynamic selector. 53 years, 55 years, and now it's done. It means there is no error with selector, there is no error in our project. Now open this. Now you'll see here in the Excel part, it has written the age of each actors. Salman Khan age 53, Govinda 55. So there is no issue with the age. So by this way we can change into the selector, we can modify the selector, we can make this selector dynamic and reliable.